Okay, plan view of the kitchen. Looking at your measurements that you just gave me, from the range wall, it's 112 inches. So if we start right here and measure, at that point right here is 112, which is fine. Looking at the second picture, yeah, pretty much the same thing. So the plumbing's coming up right in here. So we can build a wall that's maybe 6 inches deep to go on the back of the island. So this cabinet is 23 7/8 deep, plus 13/16 for the drawer front. So let's add this up, 23.875 plus 13/16 plus an 1.5 inch countertop overhang on the front. If we make this wall 6 inches deep, plus additional 6, plus the decorative paneling, which is going to be a 1/2 inch, plus 12 inches of countertop overhang. Your final countertop depth from front to back is 44 11/16. And to further explain the corner cabinet, so here's the cabinet. So this door will open up. It's hinged on the right. It opens up, and on the inside here are 2 drawers that pull out this way. So if I take this same cabinet, we actually need to put the hinges on that side. So those 2 drawers are in here. Looking straight down, the front of the drawer is about here, and they roll out this way into this open space. This door opens up on the right, and the 2 rollouts, there's one on the bottom right here, and then one about halfway up that pull out and open. Hope that helps. Thanks, guys.